Good morning. It's Saturday the 19th of September. We had a massive storm here last night. I've got to clean that up yet, that's for sure. And I've got some green bits coming through. A little bit of action. Got a fair bit over here. I said I only just woke up. No wind, which is nice. Soaking wet ground. There's a bit of leaf there for the application. If it rains, it won't be much of a foliar application. Then it will turn into a soil soak. It does work, but because of the soil transfer, it's not as efficient. Alright, got a new toy from Ego. Nice mower from Ego. Have to have a bit of a muck around with that later. And some other bits and pieces from Ego. Got a new sweeper attachment. Thank you very much, Ego. And look, I've got some skill stuff. Even a mower. Yeah, trimmer, Bluetooth speaker, cordless drill. I also got some stuff that I'm going to incorporate into my own program. That's not lawn porn stuff. Inoculate liquid, some brand renovate, and some 2-spec establish. I will incorporate them into another project that I'm doing soon.
What did that happen? How many hours?
Lots of hours.
Hello.
You're beautiful. You can stay out here if you want, Pinchy. Yeah, you can stay out here. You can help and watch Daddy. Going to do launch and root builder. 50 mils of each per the 100 square meters. I got 80, so I'm going to do 40 mils of each. And yeah, I'm going to use the Osatu sprayer today, which is available from BA Group Australia. It's a pump action, very good quality, and you get a set of different nozzles with it, so you don't have to go hunting aftermarket, which is pretty handy. I can't remember how many litres this is. 16 litres, there you go. Nice comfortable straps on the back. Oh, look at these two. How about last night, baby? It was just full on windy, wasn't it? And rain. I haven't done a calibration run with this, but I'm going to take a punt, and about 5 litres of water is what I'd use for this area. So put in about half your water first. 40 mils of launch, 40 mils of root builder. These tank mix, so it's all good. It's about 40. Now, launch is a balanced NPK 810-5, and it's got some kelp in it. So if you're in a pinch and you haven't got root builder, you'll still get some kelp, and obviously the phosphorus will also help with the root conditioning. Launch is really useful after renos. 50 of root builder. And root builder isn't a fertilizer, it's a kelp. It comes from South Africa actually, where the best kelp is supposed to be. From the Cape of South Africa, they're very far away from pollution and all that, and basically they extract it using centrifugal force rather than heat and chemicals. That's why I've got a 300:1 oxygen to cytokine ratio, and that's the best for the roots of turf. All right, in goes my root builder, and in goes the rest of my water. Real cool thing about this sprayer as well is because the pump's on the side and everything, you got clear access to your mixing and everything. You can mix that with a clean stick, but I'm a bit lazy in that regard. I just give it a good shake for a little while. So it's good to see some growth popping through already. Most of this treatment's going straight onto dirt, so that'll become a soil soak, but the few little bits of leaves that are popping out that this will hit, that'll go gangbusters. It'll love this app. Yeah, so this section here is taking a little while to get going. It sees less sun than the other new bit. Hasn't had a mow yet. It's going to struggle for a while until the sun gets up higher in the sky with my area. I knew that that was going to happen anyway. I've got some plans for that area. It does see a touch of sun right late in the afternoon, starting to hit the end of the thing, so 5 litres wasn't bad. So yeah, that's it. Oh, working up a sweat. It's quite warm this morning, eh? Muggy, yeah. So yeah, really happy with the way it's going on. That's the week 3 treatment, and why it's a low treatment is because your renovation has happened. You've got some new leaf growth. That new leaf will have to get used to foliar feeding, so it's a nice and low application. I could do a heavier application on the lawn that's been in here for 4 weeks at next to the veranda here, and it's had a few applications, so it's used to it, but I'll just keep it nice and even for the whole lawn and keep it easy. And yeah, week 1 already seeing some growth, so everything's working well. Get your lawn on.
Holding on, letting go.